Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Slimania. In today's episode, we will be making a midnight slime. The ingredients you'll need are contact lens solution, bicarbonate of soda, PVA glue, black food colouring, dark blue glitter, and star sequins. You can use any colour you want or have, but I'm just using the ones I have. Firstly, we're going to add just as much PVA glue as there is of the base of the bowl. Now I'm going to add a tablespoon of bicarbonate of soda. Make sure to mix well before you add your food colouring. Now, my mixture is starting to look like a liquid, and that's what you need. So once you see all the baking soda has dissolved into the liquid, now you can add your black food colouring. I added just a bit because I don't want it to be too dark. Keep adding until you get the colour you desire. The grain. Now I'm going to add my dark blue glitter. Wow, the slime looks so sparkly. This will give like the effect of twinkling stars in the midnight sky. Wow, I can already see the resemblance. Imagine how amazing it will look with all of these sequins. But first, we have to activate it. If you're looking for saline solution, anywhere you can find it is in the UK, in any pharmacy or an optician, they should be selling contact lens solution. So just for next time if you try to make slime. I think I'm just going to add just a little bit more because my slime isn't forming yet. Once your slime starts coming off the bowl, that means it's ready to take out and knead with your hands. But I think mine still needs a little bit more work. I think my slime is now ready to start kneading with my hands. I'm just trying to make sure that it doesn't stick to my hands anymore to get all of this excess slime off. It feels very stretchy and it feels very nice and soft. Look at the colour, doesn't this remind you of a midnight sky? Perfect, now get ready to put the stars in. First, I think I'm going to add this pink just to give it some colour. Wow, it already looks so great. I'm going to fold it in slowly so it doesn't become a big mess. Now it may not look like anything yet, but once you stretch it and keep folding, the stars should appear. Wow, doesn't this slime look so magical? Now I'm going to add the two other ones. This colour is multicoloured, so I think it will really give the slime some nice pop. Now, just like last time, slowly fold in. so you don't make too much of a mess. Wow, how magical does my slime look? Now I'm going to add the last sequin. Some blue stars to make it even more magical. Wow, how amazing does my slime look? Well, anyway, now it's time to get ready to roll. Roll your slime up like a sausage. And then fold your slime and roll it again. Once you are happy with the thickness of your slime, what you're going to do is you're going to put one end of the slime on the table and slowly roll it around. Wow, my slime looks so cool! There you have it, midnight slime. Well anyway, thanks for watching. Make sure to tune in next time for my next episode. Bye!